creating a YouTube voiceover for a welding project tailored to beginners in exciting venture, aiming to density of the art of welding in the comprehensive guide spanning approximately what we will embark on a journey exploring the fundamental aspect of welding that casters, especially to noise the develop into the essential requirements, safety protocols, different welding techniques such as make, tick, and stick welding as the practical tips ensure successful and satisfying welding experience by the end of these tutorials. Viewers will gain a solid foundation in welding, empowering them to tackle their own project with confidence and skill. The comprehensive guide is tailored for noise welder, offering a step-by-step talk through the essential techniques for understanding various welding processes, technique, selecting the right materials and equipment, safety protocols emphasized throughout highlight the significance of protective gear and workshop setup. Additionally, troubleshooting common mistake, providing tips of efficient welding practice are important to empower beginners to owning their skill. Dive into this guide and let ignite your passion for welding while ensuring a solid foundation for your work. Craftsmanship. Essential tips of which embark on your welding journey confidently. Either you are new to welding, looking to enhance your skills, there step by step. Work through the cover everything for understanding different welding process to selecting the right equipment and safety precautions will develop into the nouns to choosing the appropriate materials, mastering welding position and troubleshooting common mistake. You have solid foundation welding basic empowering you to tackle your first project with precision and confidence. It is essential to structure contact systematically begin to the introduction, outing, project goals, safety measures, required materials, explain the basic types of welding process and their application, focusing on the choose method for project, next detailed step-by-step instruction and coming visual emphasizing proper technique, safety precautions, troubleshoot, break down each stage, preparing the work era and equipment setup exciting while to finishing techniques, incorporate relevant terminology and highlight common mistakes to avoid. Finally, conclude the aspects encouraging view to share their result and seek further learning resources, ensuring smooth flow, engaging tone, and clear exploration. Enhanced overall quality to welding tutorials for beginners. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Ensure you to appropriate safety gear, welding helmet with proper shade lens, welding glove, flame resistance clothing, closed shoes. Additional work is well validated. Area to ignite your funds. Let's start with basic. Welding involves joining metals together using heat to melt and fuse them. Either you are various welding techniques but also beginners with the focus on their common type welding method use technical create infuse between the welding rod and the workspace causing the metal and form bound selecting the right welding machines to crucibles for beginners. It is user friendly and versatile, making to ideal learning. Remember to familiarize yourself with machine setting and foundation before starting. Preparing your workspace essential clean metal surface you plane while removing by any rust paint. Debris proper precautions ensure together and cleaner welds. How to weld actual welding process. How to actual welding process. Position metal pieces you ignite join ensuring security complaint held in place. Take your time, practice sticking or not scrap metal